Hey guys, it's Ash here, and I'm coming to show you my install video of the Natty Goddess locks that I got sent to me by Sam's Beauty. So here I'm just showing part of my braiding pattern. Basically, I was going to do the braiding pattern that Beauty Can Braid does, where she braids the back up so you can put it in a ponytail. But child, I couldn't braid my hair that way, so I'm just doing straight back. And then the top 4 braids, I did do the crossover method so that the part didn't go straight to the back of my head. So I am showing that here in these clips. Okay, so actually in the back, I do have 2 braids that are horizontal in the back of my head towards the nape of my neck. So that area, I just took the braids closest to my ear and connected. So my left braid went down the side of my ear, across the nape of my neck, and then the other braid on the right side went above that. So at the end of the braiding portion of the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. I have 2 braids at the bottom, the closest to the nape of my neck, that's horizontal, and then the rest are going straight back. I also do the interlock method with all of the ends, well, majority of the ends, and I have a video on how to do the interlock method. That's basically where you take the tail of a braid and add it to the current braid. And then the ends of the braids that I did have left, I just crocheted them in between the cornrows. But just keep watching, you'll see all that in the video here. Alright, so right here I am showing the loop and how I was basically adding the crochet in. So I just slide the crochet needle underneath my braid, loop it, close the crochet needle, and just do 1 tie of the actual dreadlock. There's plenty of videos on how to crochet dreads or crochet hair or whatever. Plenty of videos. So I just used the simplest technique. It took me about 2.5 hours. That includes the braids and the actual installing of the crochet. So yeah, that is pretty much the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I did almost run out of hair, so I had to get some hair. On this last braid, I had to take some hair from the back of my head and add it to the front to finish the look. So I did use all 6 packs of the locks, and yeah, so again, this hair was sent to me by Sam's Beauty. You can go to their website at samsbeauty.com. Any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.